Hello everyone, it's an image. We are going to edit that image in Photoshop with high quality. So let's maintain the quality. If you are an editor, then Photoshop is the best for you to edit. And here we will impose some filters on that side. So we will have that stroke brush distort as well. I copy and sketches here. Image balance. So that it is. Again make the further design. Let's generate the more filters. So it's a texturizer. So here we are and artistic visuals. So we will use the different shapes there, scaling, relief as well.